Alright, so question 1, we've answered about 3 questions, and now welcome to question 2. Now, I haven't said anything, but I am now, it's a requirement, not a requirement, it's no, not really. Yeah, I think students should subscribe to the YouTube channel. Like it, subscribe, and do whatever. Just please. Yes. Maybe support it. It can be something you don't know. It can be something. But let's just support it. So here, question 2 says, a force acts at the origin of the coordinate system in the direction defined by the angles alpha is equal to 75 degrees, gamma is equal to 130 degrees. Knowing that the y component of the force is 300 pounds and it is positive, determine A, the angle beta, okay, and then we are told B, the other components, and the magnitude of the force. Awesome. So here we just have to take note of one of the very important identities that we need to work through this one. Okay? Now I have to reduce the font here in order to accommodate, and then also erase this. Okay. Alright, let's go on. So here we are going to use the identity which we should really be familiar with, which is as the relationship of the direction angles. So we are saying cos squared alpha plus cos squared beta plus cos squared gamma is equal to 1. This is the identity we have to use. Okay, this is the identity we have to use. Now I must emphasize that when we say cos squared alpha, this is equal to just cos alpha squared. Some of you, as I observed, were, I don't know, for some reason beginning to press cos. I don't know if it's cos once, you square it and then you multiply by beta or by alpha. That is very bad. That is not correct. So first you do cos alpha and then you square it. So these are the same. Take note of that. I'm gonna just erase it now. Okay. So now let's use that, and we'll use it to find the angle beta, which is the direction cosine with respect to the y. We'll find beta. So we are saying cos squared 75 degrees, which we have been given for alpha, plus cos squared beta plus cos squared 130 is equal to 1. Okay, So here you have to resolve. First you do cos 75, okay, and then you square it. Okay, this is coming to 0.06698. Now you need to go a couple of decimal places because you want to get this accurate, and you see you're dealing with small numbers. Okay, then plus of course cos squared beta, and plus we have cos 130 that squared. Okay, cos 130 was a negative, but when you square it, it became a positive. So you have 0.413176. This is equal to 1. Okay, so I have to take these numbers 0.066 and 0.41 and take them to the right side, then subtract from 1, and then I'll be able to get the square root of that. So I'm saying cos beta now is equal to the square root of 1 minus 0.66987 minus 0.413176. Okay, and beta is equal to the cos inverse of that. So this will be 1 minus something 0.0. Sorry, this is 0.066981. Which is 0.51984. Okay, and okay, so this is this is negative. We didn't do the square root there. So once we do the square root, then we should have something of beta beta is equal to plus or minus cos inverse of cos inverse. No. I think this one will not work representing this way. You know what? Let's take the cos back to okay. Maybe it will work. We have beta is equal to cos inverse of, this is where we have the positive or negative 0.721 to 0.997. Right. So that's what because we took a square root, we need to take note of both the negative and the positive. Okay. So with this in view, cos inverse of that, then we'll need something we'll need to discover whether we take the positive one or the negative. Now we've been given that the force in the y component is positive 300. So because it is positive 300, we'll definitely have to take the what? The plus, okay? Because that's what will give us the positive. The negative 0.75 will give us a negative. So then we see that therefore our beta will nicely be equal to cos inverse of 0.720997, which is equal to and it's really not a necessary step to find beta, but since we've been asked, but if we are not asked to, we are not supposed to find it. Okay, so shift cos. So my beta is coming to 43.86 degrees. Okay, so in case you do not know, for me that's my answer. Beta. For beta, that's my answer. I hope everything is okay. I'm trying to press something, it's not responding. Alright, no problem. As we try to move on. Okay. Now, one thing is to move here. Just a sec. Okay. Now let's do the others. We are told part B is that the other components and the magnitude of the force. So the other components, which one in this case? Let's see. The other components, we definitely are told it's fx and fy. Now we found our beta there. So first we'll need to use this beta to find the magnitude of f. Okay? So we know that fy, yes, let's change the color to brown. Okay? We know that fy is equal to f cos beta. I'm sure we know this. So with this, we already have fy, which is positive 300, and we have beta, okay? And we also have cos beta, which is positive 0.70 and what. So then I know that this implies that my f is equal to plus 300, which is the fy, over the cos beta, which is 0.720997. So my f is equal to this to be equal to 416.09. Oops. Writing at the edge as consequences. it should be 0.09. Let me write it properly here. 416.09. This is our F. Okay. After we find it there, then remember this is pounds, then we can find our fx. So fx is equal to 416.09 times cos, what's the angle there, 75 degrees, which is equal to yes, what's the answer? Okay, this will say shift storing B. So we have B times 75, which is equal to 107.69 pounds. Okay. Then we have Fy is equal to 416.09. No, not Fy. We already know Fy. Okay. I guess I'm struggling to press. So now we are finding our Fz. This is times cos 130, and this we have it will be minus 267.446 pounds. So we found the other components and the magnitude of the force. So we found all of everything now. So just to recap, we used an identity. We used an identity to find beta, which is our answer here. Okay. We used an identity to find beta, which is our answer here. Then we used the same identity to find f. We used then f. Since we had fy, we used fy is equal to f cos theta. We found f, and our answer is here. We were required to find this one. And then we found the other components. Our answers are here and here. So this is the magnitude of f, which is that. And the other components are those fx and fz. Fy we already know. Alright, so thank you.